Hello everyone, my name is Anish and today I will be demonstrating the flick knife model. This model is only made by using ice cream sticks and rubber bands. This shows how rubber bands convert potential energy into kinetic energy to move the blade. So, when we fold the blade clockwise, it opens anti-clockwise. So let's check this theory. And when we fold it anti-clockwise, it opens clockwise. When the splinter is near the edge, we require more effort to be able to release the blade. But when the splinter is near the middle or it's deeper inside, we require less effort as there's less friction. To conclude this, the rubber band stores and releases energy, while friction changes the effort needed. This is a simple model which explains friction and the storage of energy. Thank you.